Hi, I'm Jess and I'm going to show you 5 ways to use isopropyl alcohol, also known as rubbing alcohol, in your home. When using rubbing alcohol, make sure you're always wearing your rubber gloves. A great tip for any stains on furniture is to squeeze a bit of rubbing alcohol, let it sit on the stain for a few minutes, then wipe the area. See? Good as new. In a small spray bottle, add 3/4 rubbing alcohol to 1/4 water and a small drop of dish soap. Shake it to combine and spray on your glasses, wiping with a flat microfiber cloth for the perfect glass cleaner. I used the cloth that came with my glasses. In a spray bottle, put 2:1 proportions of rubbing alcohol to water. Use it to disinfect surfaces such as appliances, tabletops and door handles. Let the spray sit for 1 to 2 minutes before you wipe it dry so all the germs are gone. To get rid of product buildup on your mirror, dampen a cloth with rubbing alcohol and wipe the mirror. A good tip is to use the other side of the microfiber cloth to dry for a streak-free finish. It's really easy to create your own hand sanitizer using rubbing alcohol. All you need is aloe vera and an essential oil. I use tea tree oil. To create an effective hand sanitizer, stick to a 2:1 ratio of aloe vera and alcohol. Add a few drops of your essential oil and mix all ingredients thoroughly until they are well blended. And that's 5 handy ways to use isopropyl alcohol in your home.